So class, even I'm fine, thank you. And let's start with our today's classes. So you all are prepared to begin with the class? Now can anyone tell me which day is today? Today is Wednesday, okay? And which month is going on? So which month is going on right now? October month is going on, okay? Now tell me which is the what I want to ask you is, can you tell me which month is counted as October month? What is the number of this October month? 10th month of the year. Very good. So can you name all the months we have in one year? Yes, I want to make you revise all the months we have in one year. So months in a year. First of all, tell me how many months we have in a year. We have 12 months in a year. Yes. So don't look at the topic. This topic we have already done, so it will be like a revision. But first I want to ask you, how many months are there in a year? We have 12 months in a year. Very good. And how many days in a week? So number of days in 1 week. We have 7 days in a week. Okay. So let us revise month name and days name once, and then we'll move towards our today's topic. Okay. So let us first begin with months. So as we all know, there are 12 months in a year. So can you tell me which is the first month of the year? The first one. जब हम number 1 लिखते हैं, so see here, I have written 10 here. Now tell me which month we write 1 year. For which month? January. Yes. So we are going to start from January, as January is the first month of the year, and we'll go ahead. Clear? So let's begin with January. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So 10 months finished. After October comes November, and last we have is December. So like this we have 12 months in a year. Okay. Now moving to the days of the week. So you all told me that we have 7 days in a week, isn't it? So let's revise their names. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Isn't it? So these are the 7 days of the week and 12 months in a year. Okay. So you can revise this, as you all know the month name, you all know days name. So just keep revising them. One day we'll learn how to write them also. But first keep revising them orally. Okay. Now great. Let's move towards our today's topic. I know when I was telling you all this, you have already seen the topic. So today we are going to revise O sound rhyming words once again. See class, in the previous class also we have done O sound rhyming words. But today we are going to write these rhyming words in notebook also. Clear? But first let's see and let's start writing these rhyming words on board. You are going to tell me the name, I'll write. We'll discuss with each other, है ना? मैम और आप सब मिलकर डिस्कस करेंगे. जो वर्ड हम लिखेंगे उसका मीनिंग भी ढूंढेंगे. We'll see whether we know the meaning or not, and then we'll write it, and after that we'll do the work in note. Okay? Let's begin then. So class, after all this, you all know today is Wednesday, but the date is 21st October. Yes. So let's begin with the work. So the first family we are going to discuss is ob. O family का जो sound discuss करेंगे, that is ob sound. O, b, ob. Now can you tell me, now the word which you will tell me, you should know the meaning also. Clear? So start telling me the names of the names of ob sound. O, b, ob. Something we love eating in rainy season. Cob. Yes. What is cob? Cob is bhutta. Okay, so you all love eating that? K, ob, cob. So we have one word with ob sound, that is k, ob, cob. Now tell me the next word. Yes, जब आप जोर जोर से शाउट करते हो and you cry, mama, and you just cry like that at the children ears. So what is that? जब आप जोर से चिल्ला के रोते हो, जब कोई आपको हिट करता है, दीदी या भैया ने को मार दिया और आप जोर जोर से चिल्ला के रोए जा रहे हो. What is that? When you cry and you shout. So what do you call that? Sob. Yes, sob or sob. So what we call that? Sob or sob. We call it sob. Okay. Now, something which we use to open and close a door, a cupboard, what that can be, which is round in shape. So what we call that? We call it a knob. Now, when I taught you ob sound, I told you जब हम उसको pronounce करते हैं, when we pronounce it, the sound that comes is n, ob, knob. But we don't write only n. We write k and n together. Why? The sound of alphabet k is silent here. ठीक है? So let's write the word knob like this. Clear? So ob sound is clear. Next we have is og. O, g, og. Og sound word. So can you tell me 3 words of og sound? The words that end with og sound, because then only they will come to be known as rhyming words, na? So rhyming words क्या है? Those words that ends with same sound. Yes. So tell me 3 og sound words now. Can you tell me? Og. O, g, og. Yes. Wood का बहुत मोटा सा क्या होता है, वो लंबा सा. What we call that? We call it log. L, og, log. So let's write that. L, og, log. So what do you do in the morning? What is this? What am I doing here? Yes, what we call that? The slow running. जब हम run करते हैं तो बहुत fast करते हैं. But when we do this running slowly, what do you call that? Jog, jog. Yes. So we do jogging in the morning now to keep us fit. Jog, jog. Okay. Now one more last word. Who is going to tell me that? Log, jog. Yes. Fog. So what is fog? What is fog? जब winters में white धुआं आ जाता है and we are not able to see nearby objects also. So what we call that? We call it a fog. What we call it? Fog. Fog, fog. Understood? Okay. Next we have is ob sound. Ob. Now tell me, ob sound. What am I doing? Hop. Yes. So let's write that word here. It's hop, hop. Hop, hop. Okay. After hop, what next word can be? Can anyone tell me the next word? One is hop. हम thread को tie करते हैं and we just throw it and it keeps swirling. गोल घूमता रहता है. What is that? What it called? Top. Very good. So what is that? Top. Top. Now every morning the house is really very dirty. So what mama do? She does cleaning. Now to clean the house, what she use? She uses a mop. Mop. Very good. So these hints are really helping you out, isn't it? Mop. Clear? So if these words are divide them like this. So we have written 3 words of each sound. Next we have as ought. O, T, ought. So can you tell me 3 ought sound words now? Ooh, no, my heart jal gaya. What was that? Hot. Yes, hot. So we'll write that. Her, ought, hot. Now what next can we tell me? What next? So where was the water? The thirsty crow. Where was the water? Water was in the pot. Yes, pot, pot. So class C, one thing which I want to tell you. जब आप कोई भी word को correlate करके याद करते हैं, you will keep that in your mind for years and years. आप उसको कभी भूलोगे ही नहीं. So whenever you are learning something, just correlate it with something which is near to you. अभी the thirsty crow story आप कभी नहीं भूलोगे, isn't it? And when I correlate it with pot, आपको immediately याद आ जाएगा where was the water? Water was in the pot. तो pot याद आ गया ना एकदम से. So whenever you are learning something, try to correlate it with each other. ठीक है? Correlate मतलब एक दूसरे से जोड़ के उसको learn करना. Okay, moving to the next picture. जब ड्रेस गंदी हो जाती है, so what we call it, क्या लग जाता है ड्रेस पे? Spot. Yes, spot. So let's see how to write. S and P together, spot, spot. Spot. Clear? Okay. Next we have is ox sound. Yes, tell me ox sound. So what girls wear at home? Frock. Yes. So we'll write that word now. Frock. Frock. Isn't it? Now next what we have? Something hanging on the wall and we see time in that. What we call it? Clock. Yes, clock. Clock. So let's write that now. Clock. One more word. Can you tell me? What do you wear with your shoes now? The weather is changing. We all have started wearing shoes. So what do you wear with your shoes? Socks. Yes. So that is socks. Okay. Now next we have is ox. So word itself, this sound itself is a word, ox. So I told you who's an ox? A bull. Ox. So which is the next word we are going to write with ox sound? Box. Box. And which is the last we are going to write? Fox. Yes. So that is fox. Clear? Great. Next we have is ow sound. Bow. Yes. So you all wear bow. When you wear suits for going outside in evening parties and all. So we wear smart suits and we wear a bow with it. Next, ow sound word. Row. Yes, when we walk in a row. Row. One more word can you tell me with ow sound? Who was thirsty? Crow. Yes, the thirsty crow. Crow. So one word is crow. Now oi sound. Toy. Yes, you all love playing with your toys now. So we'll write toy. Then we have boy. Joy. Toy, boy, joy. Oi. Isn't it? Last we have is all sound. So again, old itself is a word. Now can you tell me what is the meaning of old? Can you tell me what is the meaning of old? Old means एज में जो बहुत ज्यादा बड़े हो जाते हैं, जिनको हम बूढ़ा बोलते हैं. ओके, सो वन इज ओल्ड इटसेल्फ. देन what else? We make our jewelry out of gold. Yes, so that is gold. And what am I doing when we are taking something in hand? What am I doing with this duster? Gold. पकड़ रखा है मैम ने, isn't it? So we'll write her old hold. Understood? Different O sound words. So these are a few rhyming words. O sound rhyming words. Clear? So now what you have to do? Let's see how we are going to write these words in notebook. So you don't have to do your work like this because my board is not having that much space. So I did the work like this. So let's see how to do the work in notebook. Okay? So open your notebook and see how we are going to write O sound words now. So class, now let's see how we are going to write O sound rhyming words in our notebook today. Okay? So first we are going to write today's date. So date is 21st October 2020. Clear? And this is your classwork. So write CW. No classwork in the book. Homework bhi yahi hai aur classwork bhi yahi hai. So you have to write CW like this. Clear? Now after this we'll write our topic. So what is the topic? O sound rhyming words. So like this you'll write the topic. Now after writing the topic, what you have to do? You have to write the sounds like this on the left hand side of the margin. Can you see this red color margin here? So you'll write the sounds like this. Ob, og, op, ot, ok, ox, ow, oi, old. So these are the sounds we have done in O sound, O family words. So what you'll do? You'll write all the sounds on the left hand side of the margin, and after this you'll start writing the words on the right hand side. So I'll just write for you ob sound. So we have learnt ob sound में ka, ob, cob. Then we did sa, ob, sob. And last we have also learnt ra, ob, rob. It is not compulsory to write those words which were written on board. You can write other words also, but they should end with ob sound. So rhyming words are the words that ends with same sound now. So you have to write same ending sound words here. Clear? Next we have is og. L, og, log. J, og, jog. F, og, fog. No one will open the book for writing these words. So by now you must have learned all of them. So don't open your book. You just have to write of your own. Now next we have is op. So can you tell me op sound? H, op, hop. M, op, mop. T, op, top. Hop, mop, top. Understood? Now the rest of the words that are left here, ot, ok, ox, oi and old. So these are the sounds that are left. What you have to do? You have to write these sounds yourself. So I have shown you how you are going to do this work today. Clear? Complete your work once as classwork, and your today's homework is same as classwork. So homework is same as classwork. So what you will do, after completing your classwork once, you have to write the same O sound, different O family words, O sound words here on the next page as your today's homework. Is that clear to all? So class, how you are going to do your today's work? Complete your work fast. Then after this work, get ready for the next class. But after all your classes, what you have to do? You have to learn these words also. And don't forget to practice A, E, I. And today we have completed O sound. So 4 sounds we have completed. Keep practicing all these sounds regularly. Clear? And you all know if you are going to practice them regularly, you are only able to use them efficiently in your day-to-day conversation. Okay? Bye for now. Take care.